ready to transform your eBay sales into a loyal customer base who actively seeks your new listings and exclusive deals. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of email marketing to build that very system. First things first, you need a way to collect those valuable email addresses from your interested buyers. The most straightforward method is to encourage them to sign up directly. Think of adding a friendly, clear call to action in your eBay listings themselves. This could be as simple as a brightly colored banner or a few lines of text in your listing description that politely invites customers to join your mailing list. You'll then direct them to a dedicated signup page. Now, for that crucial signup page, you'll want to make it easy and enticing. Professionally designed landing pages are key. Many email marketing platforms offer simple, customizable templates that you can brand with your eBay store's logo and colors. Consider offering an incentive for signing up, a welcome discount on their next purchase, early access to sales, or even a free digital download related to your niche can significantly boost signup rates. Make sure this offer is front and center on your landing page. Once you have your signup page live, you'll need a system to manage your growing email list. Email marketing services are perfect for this. They securely store your customer data and allow you to segment your audience for more targeted campaigns later. This collected list is gold. It's your direct line to buyers who have already shown interest in what you offer. You can now use this list to announce new product drops, run special promotions just for your subscribers, and build a stronger, more engaged customer community around your eBay business.